Have you ever pondered the significance of mobile phone maintenance in today's world? Well, with mobile phones now serving as one of the most essential tools in our daily lives, the skill of mobile phone maintenance has become increasingly sought after. Now let's delve into the steps to master this skill. The first step is to practice phone repair. This can be accomplished through a variety of methods. Enroll in a mobile phone maintenance training course. There are countless available, both online and offline, to suit your needs. Another method is to read books and visit websites that provide information on mobile phone maintenance. Additionally, watching instructional videos on YouTube can be a great help. Lastly, you can purchase a used phone and practice repairing it. The second step is to acquire the necessary tools. Basic tools for phone repair include a screwdriver, tweezers, scissors, a soldering iron, and a microscope. The third step is to gain experience. This can be achieved by working in a mobile phone repair shop or working independently. Here are some tips for learning mobile phone maintenance. Look for a good training course. Make sure the course you enroll in provides useful and comprehensive information on mobile phone maintenance. You can also read books and visit websites that provide information on mobile phone maintenance to increase your knowledge. Watch instructional videos on YouTube to learn how to repair different types of phones. Practice phone repair by purchasing a used phone and practicing how to repair it. Gain experience by working in a mobile phone repair shop or working independently. Now let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Why is learning mobile phone maintenance so important? Firstly, it's in demand in the market. Many people are looking for technicians to repair their phones. Secondly, it's profitable. Technicians can earn good profits by repairing phones. Thirdly, it's easy to learn. There are many training courses and books available that can help. Fourthly, it doesn't require a large capital. You can start with some basic tools. Lastly, it allows you to work independently. You can open your own shop or work from home. In conclusion, mobile phone maintenance is a sought-after and profitable skill. Technicians can earn good profits by repairing phones. It's easy to learn mobile phone maintenance as there are many training courses and books available to assist you. So why not give it a try?